we are teaching artists at the Rose Theater. Now that you've seen the play Penguin Problems, we are looking forward to sharing 2 more drama activities with you about Mortimer and his friends.
You met 3 penguins during Penguin Problems: Mortimer, Louise, and Bob. Do you remember the special word that Bob said over and over and over again? That's right, party!
You know what, Maddie? I think when Bob said party, he meant other things like party! I'm happy! Or party? I'm confused. Our voices can help us express ourselves even if the words don't match how we feel.
Let's use our voices to help express our feelings. Just like Bob, we could say one word, party. Oh, say what I say.
Say what I say.
Do what I do.
Do what I do.
Party!
Party!
Party.
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 Party! Oh, Maddie, I noticed you used your acting tools of body and voice to show that you were happy and sad and frightened.
Farah, you got all of that when I was just saying one word, party. Do you want to try?
I'd love to. Say what I say.
Say what I say.
Do what I do.
Do what I do.
Party.
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 Party? Oh, Farah, I saw you using your acting tools of body and voice to show that you were angry and that you were tired and that you were worried.
That's right, Maddie. Thanks for noticing. Everyone can do this activity with family and friends. Just think about how you feel and show it using your body and voice with the word party. The possibilities are endless.
Thank you for playing with us today. You can watch our other activity about penguin problems now or a little later.
Give yourselves a pat on the back and hug your wonderful creative selves. Goodbye, friends.